In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple dependent drop-down lists in Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have one drop-down list that controls another drop-down list, so the options in the second list change automatically based on what you select in the first. To start, open your Excel worksheet and locate the cells you want to use for the example. In this tutorial, we will begin with cell A2 for the first drop-down. Select cell A2 and then click the Data tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where Excel stores tools for things like validation rules and drop-down lists. After you click the Data tab, look for the Data Validation option and click it. A dialog box will appear, and this is where you tell Excel what kind of input you want to allow in the selected cell. Next, under Allow, choose the setting called List. This tells Excel that you want a predefined list of values. Now you will enter the items for the first drop-down list. In the source box, type fruit, veg. Make sure the values are separated exactly with a comma and a space, like fruit, veg, as shown in the instruction. This means the first drop-down will let you choose between the category fruit or the category veg. Once you have typed the source values, click OK to confirm the data validation settings. At this point, cell A2 will have a drop-down arrow, and it will allow only the two options you entered. Now, as a quick check, type fruit into cell A2 as your choice, using the cell input area or by selecting from the drop-down. Choosing fruit is important because it will demonstrate that the second list will respond to your selection. Now that the first drop-down is ready, we will set up cell B2 for the dependent drop-down. Move your attention to cell B2, click it, and then open the data validation tool once again. The reason for reopening the tool is that each cell needs its own validation rule, even if the second rule depends on the first cell. In the data validation dialog for cell B2, set Allow to List again. This step ensures B2 also uses a drop-down list. Next, look at the source field. Instead of typing simple text like you did for a 2, you will enter a formula that tells Excel what to show based on the category selected in a 2. In the source box, you will enter this exact formula. Type $IFS. A2 = fruit, apple, banana. A2 = veg, carrot, potato. As you enter it, pay close attention to the punctuation and quotation marks, because Excel formulas are very strict. The IFS function checks multiple conditions in order. If A2 = fruit, it will return the string apple, banana. If A2 = veg, it will return the string carrot, potato. Those returned values become the options for the drop-down in cell B2. After you confirm that the formula is entered exactly as shown, click OK to finish setting up the dependent selection menu. Now you can test it right away. If you selected fruit in cell A2, then cell B2 should show apple and banana as the available choices. If you change cell A2 to veg, cell B2 should update to show carrot and potato instead. This is the key idea behind dependent drop-down lists. Excel uses the value in one cell to determine what appears in another. With this setup, you keep your sheet consistent and reduce errors, because users can only select valid combinations based on the rule you specified. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.